Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today we're going to cook a curry chicken, a very simple curry chicken. And let's see what we have ingredients to cook a curry chicken. Let's see. One tomato chopped, one onion chopped, ginger garlic chopped, coriander chopped, half cup of oil, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander and turmeric powder, and 1000 gram of chicken, and salt to taste, and the water. And here we got a pot, and let's start the process. Turn on the stove. Okay, what we do right now, first of all, just put oil. Okay, that we are done with the oil now. So we have to heat the oil for a while. Let the oil get heated. And so oil is getting heat. So let's take the onion. Okay. Place the onion. So we have to fry the onion for a while. Yeah, you just have to fry the onion for a minute. The trick is what? You have to see the trick here. You have to take back ginger garlic paste, what we have did it together. Just mix it well. You don't have to fry it, or you just mix it, yeah. Shouldn't be going more than 10 seconds. Now let's go back to tomato, okay? We're going to put tomato now. Yeah, that's it. Once the tomatoes are in, you stir it. Only for 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, not more than that, okay? That's it. I'll show you the trick, what we do the trick here, what other people do. We don't follow other people. You follow my trick. Other people, they'll fry it until they make the paste. No, we don't have to do such things here. We just have to fry it a bit and a bit. That's it. Now see the trick. What I'm going to do the trick here. People, they just put the spices, but I will not put spices right now. See the trick, what I'm going to do. I pour a glass of water, okay? That's the water. Now you guys will be asking why this so. Why this so? Because we don't want to put directly the spices to the oil, because you will not get any aroma of the spices. If you need to have the aroma of the spices, just pour the water and put all the spices what we have. Okay, see the spices that I'm going to do, right? That's it. All the spices along with the salt to taste. It depends upon you how you do it. Okay, I have done with my 1 teaspoon is fine. Okay, I'm going to mix it now. I'm going to turn on the high heat. It should be on the high heat, and I will add some more water, and that's it. So now I'm going to cover. I'm going to cover with the lid. Where's my lid? It's gone somewhere here now. Yeah. So I'm going to cover with the lid. That's it. And I'll reduce the fire to medium flame. And I'm going to cook this for 30 minutes or 20 minutes. That's it. That's the trick. That's your chicken is there. Timing for the chicken, okay? So let's see after 30 minutes. Okay, now when we have mixed everything, I will just cover up with the lid and let it get cooked for 10 minutes. That's it. Only 10 minutes. And let's come back after 10 minutes. Let's come back after 10 minutes. Thank you. Welcome guys. Let's see what happens after 10 minutes. Wow. It should look like this. See? It should be like paste. Just stir it for a while and let it get a bit dry more before we add chicken. See the paste? It should be soft this way. Yeah? Let's look, see? Yeah. See from the top? I'll tell my cameraman to put from the top here. Yeah. See? See? You can see exactly the same texture. It should be this way, but you have to dry a bit. So let's wait for 2 minutes more and come back. Okay guys, let's see to me. Wow, you see the oil got separated. You need exactly like this, okay? Exactly. Yeah, just move the spoon for 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, spatula, what you call it. See? It should look exactly like that. Exactly. You see the oil got separated from the onion. See? Yeah. Yeah. Now it's time to add chicken. Now is the real time to add chicken. So you have to, when you see the paste in this position, the oil is separated, you can see clearly. My cameraman, let's go put it, zoom it a little bit, yeah. Okay, you saw that. Okay, now let's add the chicken. Okay, one piece at a time. You don't have to throw the chicken straight away. Yeah, you saw what I'm doing, right? You have to do exactly piece by piece. Just show this side a little bit. Go up the camera a bit. Yeah. It's getting dark maybe. Yeah, yeah. You have to cover. You have to cover the paste with the chicken. Yeah. Okay, now this is done. Now you have to mix it. You have to mix it well. Okay. You saw how the chicken turned now? Okay, it should be in this position. You have to stay only 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes. Just to fry a bit with the paste. Yeah. So you can see exactly, it should be exactly like this. Okay. Now the last step. You add about water just to cover up the chicken. Not more than that. Okay, so you see how it looks? Yeah, it should be exactly like this. Okay? Now we have to add up the green chili. It's up to you how spicy you want it. I like more spicy. My wife, she doesn't like, but I like a lot. So sometimes we have a fight on spicy. So that's it. Now in the positions what I added, now just cover up and put a slow flame, okay, and you cook it for another 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, okay. So let's come back after 15 minutes and see how's our curry chicken. Bye bye. Okay, we came back after 15 minutes. Let's check how our chicken look. Wow, see the aroma. Wow, that's scary. Yeah, we need exactly like this. Okay, now we have to add a chopped coriander, a bit, not much, but yeah, that's much, that's it, and mix it well. Okay, it should be this way, and now we cover for 2 minutes and dish out. That's it, it's done. Our chicken is done. We just cover it for 2 minutes, then we'll dish out. Thank you. Yes, now we dish out the chicken. See, the chicken should look like this, and we're going to garnish some coriander on top, and it's ready to serve. See how it looks, how beautiful it looks, and it tastes wonderful. Okay, bye bye.